Hey everyone, ya sabes que Carlos Tirsate to another episode of Dimitra's Dishes. Prasorizo is what we're making today. It's a leek and rice pilaf that's similar to like a risotto, except it all comes together in one pot and you don't have to add the liquid a little bit at a time. It's simple to make, just like all classic Greek dishes. Let me show you how we do it. Okay, we're gonna begin by preparing all of the ingredients because everything moves really quickly afterwards. I have one onion. I'll just chop it up really finely and set it aside. Then you're gonna need about 3 or 4 scallions. These have been sitting in my fridge for days, so they definitely needed to be used up today. Thinly slice them all the way down to the white parts and set them aside. And then we're gonna use the star of this dish, which are our fresh leeks. Now, if you get really big leeks, you'll need about 6 or 7 of them. Since these are medium size, I'm just gonna use everything that I have. We have about 8 to 10 over here. I'll just use them all because really, even though the leek looks ginormous, the dark green parts are very fibrous and you can't use them in a recipe like this one. You can save them to put in your compost pile, or you can save them to make soups and stuff like that. But we're gonna cut off the dark green and even the lighter green parts and stay closer to the white of the leek. And I'm just gonna slice it in half. There's lots of dirt stuck between these layers, so you wanna make sure that you rinse this out really carefully. But before you wash the leeks, I really like to slice them up first. So thinly slice them into half moons. And then these are gonna go in a big bowl of cold water. Swish them around so that way the dirt that's stuck between the leaves sinks down to the bottom. Then you're gonna lift the leeks out, and if you have a salad spinner, this is the perfect time to use it. If you don't, you can transfer these into a strainer and just shake them around in there to get all that water out of them. I'm just gonna lift them out carefully and put them into my salad spinner, spin it really well and get all that water off of them. And that's it, they're ready to use. If the water that you're cleaning them with is very full of dirt, you're gonna wanna spill that water out and wash them 1 or 2 more times to get all of the dirt out of them. You don't want any crunchy dirt in this recipe. So now we're gonna go to our stovetop. I have my pot heating over medium heat with the onion in here. I'll add about 1/4 cup of olive oil to this and cook the onion until it's nice and soft and golden. That takes about 7-8 minutes or so. I have 3 garlic cloves that are finely grated. Those are gonna go in, and as soon as they're fragrant, they're ready. Next, we're gonna add the leeks and scallions in together with a little pinch of salt. You can add some black pepper too if you like. They're gonna cook for about 5 to 7 minutes until they're nice and soft. In the meantime, you can add 2 cups of rice to a strainer and rinse it with cold water, set it aside. Once the leeks have softened, you can go in and add the rice. Of course, make sure that the rice is drained. We're also gonna add 5 cups of either water, vegetable broth, or chicken broth, and 2 teaspoons of salt, some freshly cracked black pepper, and the juice of half a lemon. You could do a whole lemon here if you'd like. Bring this to a boil. Once it comes to a boil, reduce the heat to a medium, and we're gonna let this simmer for 15 minutes. You can loosely cover the pot. And then I like to garnish this either with some fresh dill or some dried dill. I have dried dill today, about 1 teaspoon of it. Give it a nice mix. And you can just serve this with more lemon wedges, squeeze more lemon on top of it. You can drizzle it with some Greek olive oil. If you love feta, of course, feta goes great with this, and it's ready to serve. And there you have it. The leek and rice pilaf is ready, and it goes well with everything. In Greece, we like to eat vegetarian dishes like this on their own. It's definitely filling and good, but if you want to get some protein in, this tastes amazing with roasted chicken, fish, lamb, really almost everything. It has so much flavor, and of course I always like to drizzle some more olive oil and squeeze lots of lemon juice on top when I serve this. The leeks cook down and become sweet. The rice absorbs all of that flavor. The best way to serve this is straight away once it's made, so it's in that delicious broth. Of course, if you're serving it later on, the broth will mostly be absorbed, and you can thin it out while you're heating it up over the stovetop with more broth, and then serve this straight away. This is not one of those things that refrigerates well, just because rice, especially when it's cooked in this much liquid, it does tend to soften more as it sits, and then it becomes kind of mushy. Some people love that. I don't know if it's your thing, that's perfectly fine. You can make a bigger batch and keep this in the refrigerator for the next day. I love this as a meal. It's just delicious with some feta on top. So good. I hope you guys give this one a try. You can print out the recipe on the website, dimitrasdishes.com. Thank you so much for spending time with me today. I'll see you all next time. Yes, us.